Sometimes the most beautiful things are not bought from expensive stores. They are born from what the world has already thrown away. An old glass bottle, one empty and forgotten. A small jar hiding in the corner of the kitchen. Pieces of the dried jute lying quietly waiting for a second chance. We gently clean them, touch them with care, and slowly they begin to tell a new story. The bottle is no longer waste, wrapped in jute, natural jute, decorated with love. It becomes a vase that holds not just flower but hope and patience. The old jar, once filled with the spices, now glows softly with a candle inside, spreading warmth, peace, and a feeling of home. Recycling is not just about saving money, it is about saving memories, saving nature, and reminding ourselves that nothing is truly useless. Just like these old things, we all deserve a second chance to shine with simple hands, natural jute, and a creative heart. We turn waste into beauty and silence into a story worth telling. So before you throw sometimes away, pause for a moment, because even the smallest old things can become something meaningful. Recycle, reuse, recreate, and let your creativity breathe into the forgotten. If you want more videos and more designs like this, you can join us on our channel. We are definitely trying to bring the amazing ideas. Now let's move on a second story. Every old thing has a story. Even the ones we are about to throw away, a glass bottle with scratches, a small jar once filled with memories of daily life, a dried jute rough to the tough, yet full of warmth. We don't rush, we slow down, we clean, we wrap, we create. The dried jute hugs the bottle, giving it a natural soul. What was once empty now stands proudly as a piece of handmade decor. The jar and the simple quiet transforms into a soft light holder, filling the room with peace and reminding us that beauty does not need perfection. Recycling is not just an idea, it is a feeling of care, creativity, and respect for the art. Old things don't ask for much, just little time, a little imagination, and a gentle hand. And in return, they give us something priceless, a reminder that even what feels forgotten can become beautiful again. So next time you see an old bottle or jar, don't see waste, see possibility, because handmade is not just decor. It is a story wrapped in jute and made with heart. Hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. We are trying to bring amazing ideas, design, because handmade